Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to back up your UMD games into your memory stick for your PSP. Before we begin, I would really appreciate if you could press the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy your UMD disk directly to your memory stick. Copying your games onto your memory stick means that you do not have to run your games using the UMD disk. Playing games from your memory stick will also help to prolong your battery life. Download the PSP Filer application using the first link in the description. This method will work with all PSP models except the PSPGo as it do not have a UMD disk drive. After downloading, extract the file and paste it on the desktop. There are a few files here. The most important file will be inside the game folder. Next, insert your PSP memory stick into the computer. Drive G is my memory stick, yours could be different. On the extract folder, click Game. There will be a folder called Filer. You're going to drag this Filer folder onto your PSP GAME folder. Once you are done, safely eject your memory stick. Here I'm using an SD card adapter for my memory stick. Here I'm using 64GB SD card, which is enough to put at least 60 games inside. I will leave a link in the description if you need to get one for yourself. The ripping process will take some time depending on the size of the UMD, so it's recommended that you be plugged onto the power adapter. Your PSP will need to be on custom firmware in order for you to use this application later. Click the link on the top right if you have not modded your PSP to custom firmware. As always, if you are already on custom firmware, we're gonna run the Pro Fast Recovery. It is always a good habit to always do this every single time you on the PSP. Next, go to System Information to see your firmware. Good, we are on 6.60 Pro-C. Next, go to Game and run the PSP Filer. In this menu, you're going to select English as your language. You will reach this menu. This will be the time that you put your UMD disk into your UMD drive. We will be copying the Need for Speed Most Wanted. Don't change any setting. Now you're going to press triangle to open up a menu. Next, we're going to press the R shadow button to go into the UMD ripping mode. Here, there's an option for you to rename the file, but I normally leave it as it is. Scroll to enter and press start to start the ripping process. This ripping process will take some time depending on the size of the UMD. The bigger the file, the longer it will take. This is why it is best for you to be on power adapter than on battery. About 8 minutes later, we are almost done with the process. The file size is about 883 MB. Press X to resume back to the menu. Now press Home to exit the application. PSP Filer app will copy the game onto your ISO folder. Go to Game, Memory Stick, scroll down until you see your game. Our game file is about 884 MB. Now we can eject the UMD disk. Scroll up to start and start the game. And there you go, that's how you copy your UMD disk onto your memory stick without the use of a PC. Loading time on the memory stick is so much faster than using the UMD. If this method doesn't work for you, I have another tutorial on how to copy your UMD disk directly onto your PC, which you can use to copy onto your memory stick later on. So rather than bringing 8 UMDs for a trip, now you only need to bring 1 memory stick. If you have found this video useful, do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as it will help the channel grow. I have more PSP and game console tutorial coming up in the future. We have just crossed 150 subscribers and I'm very grateful for all your support. Do join me on my live tweet session every Friday, Saturday and Sunday after 9 PM. I post new video every Tuesday. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe everybody.